Thanks for joining us for 10 Tampa Bay News this weekend. I'm Miranda Parnell. Tonight, nearly 30 million people are under blizzard warnings as communities across the Northeast prepare to hunker down for another winter storm. Meteorologists across the Northeast tell us conditions are forecasted to be more dangerous than the last storm, with several states like New York already declaring a state of emergency. In fact, this is the first time in 9 years that a blizzard warning has been issued for the Big Apple. While Tampa Bay won't be seeing any snow, we will be feeling the travel impacts from these winter conditions. Tonight, 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Nick Volturo shows us how passengers out at Tampa International Airport are keeping their eyes locked on the radar.
The Northeast bracing for up to 18 inches. Flights and passengers already feeling the turbulence.
It's not looking great because we got a delay already. This flight's coming from New York, and who knows if it's going to get here down on time. And if the storm hits earlier than expected up in Boston, I'm in a lot of trouble.
And that's only part of the problem.
Take you in planes, and they stick you as close as they can in every single seat, you know. And I tried to change my flight, but there was absolutely nothing available.
This storm forecasted to be as disruptive or even more disruptive as storms that crippled much of us the last month.
So if you don't get here 2, 3, 4 hours beforehand, you could be in a lot of trouble, at least today, I think.
Jeff is flying direct to Philly, and he's buckling up, knowing what awaits.
Looks like it's going to be a little delayed, and then I'm going into the belly of the beast. Once it flies, I have to land, and that's when the storm is hitting, so I'm a little concerned.
The advice today, arrive early in Tampa. Nick Volturo, 10 Tampa Bay News.
And I just checked moments before the show. As of right now, there are 65 cancellations and 165 delays, meaning that roughly 40% of all flights are seeing impacts out there today.